Today we will add Finish salt, this salt into the LG dishwasher. First of all, open its lid. Remove the lower basket. There will be a large screw cap on the left side of your machine. Just open it. Now it is opened. To view this salt reservoir, you need to pull out this bottom rag completely. Now here is an important consideration. If you are using the dishwasher machine for the first time, you will first add about 1 liter of water before adding the salt. However, if you are just refilling the salt, you will not add water because water will be already there. Because I am using this machine for the first time, therefore first I will add 1 liter of water into the hole. For the measurement, I have taken this blender jug and filled it up to the 1000 milliliter mark. This is 1 liter. Then I will just put the funnel on the hole and pour the water. I need to remove the rag before adding water. Now I have added the water. Now I will keep the funnel just on the hole and add the salt. Now we will make cut to the bag of finished salt. In fact, it is 99.9% pure sodium chloride. Just pour the salt through the funnel. We have poured around 1 kg of finished salt, but in fact it is not fulfilled. So we will open another bag of finished salt and add it through the funnel. In fact, we needed only 1 kg of finished salt because you can see that the reservoir is almost full. You can see the level of water which is just at the corner of the hole. So 1 kg of finished salt is enough. Now tighten the screw back on the hole. That's it. I think you will love this video and share it with your friends. Now push back the rag and close the door. That's it. Proved helpful for you. please like it and share it for your reuse. Uh, on the side note, you can also see this beautiful rack in our living room. How it is looking? Please tell me in comments. Thank you so much.